Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. So, a couple things we're going to do today. We only have a little bit of time. I think we have an hour and a half, Wyatt. You want to say hi? So I got my helper here with me today. And so today we're going to work on the coffee table. But before we do that, we saw in one of the last videos and comments that I really need to make a push stick for my table saw. I do have a push stick, but it's the Cobalt one that came with the saw. So today I'm going to show you how to make a push stick. So that's one thing we're going to do. If we have time, when we did the chevron pattern on the coffee table, we got a little bit off. So the chevron pattern kind of goes off to the side a little bit, and I don't like the way it looks. So we're going to take that off, and we're going to show you guys how to set that up. What I should have done is set it up before I nail it rather than start nailing. And then I'm stuck. So we're going to work on that. It's been a great day so far. It's creeping up on Wyatt's 5th birthday. Yeah. What do you want for your birthday?
Trains.
Yeah. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
What do you like better than trains?
The Polar Express is the only thing that's better than the train, Daddy.
The Polar Express? Did you ride on the Polar Express?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to tell everybody how it was?
When the Polar Express is real, it's the fastest, that fast.
Yeah.
The Polar Express that's here, in the movie one, it's the train. It's the fastest one. Well, the real Polar Express is not in the movie. Is a diesel.
Yeah, is it a diesel now? It used to be a steam train. So he's talking about the Polar Express train out of Tavares and out of Mount Dora. So we did that this Christmas. It was a lot of fun. If you guys are ever in the area, it's a wonderful experience at Christmas time. So today, what are we looking on?
The coffee table.
Yeah. All right, stay with us. Gonna be a lot of cool stuff today. You got anything else you want to say?
No.
No? Okay. Let's get to work. Okay, so we have this piece of cherry, and I was hoping to use it for a cutting board, but you can see it's not exactly flat, to say the least. So what we're going to do is make a push stick out of it, because I don't care if it's a little bit crooked. So I don't have a pencil. So from what you just saw, Wyatt has requested a workbench. So guess we're going to be making a kid's workbench. But if you guys know from watching my videos, we can't just make a normal workbench. So we're going to try to figure out a kid-friendly Phipps style workbench that is just indestructible and that he can color on it or whatever he wants to do, and it'll be okay. So that's going to be on a future video. But for now, we're going to work on this. Okay. Everybody see that? This is a vintage saw that I have, which is the perfect pattern See, you use the things you have to make the things that you don't have. Okay, we'll be back as soon as we get him a refill. So now we have Wyatt a successful refill. We can continue our setup here. If I look at this, I want it big enough I can get my hands in there. So what I'll probably do is just trace around. There we go. And the more I look at it, why have this? So why can't I just go from there to there? That makes more sense. Now I don't need all that. Okay, so that's our push stick. So we're going to go with that. And we may even drill some holes in it. Who knows? Let's go over to the scroll saw. We'll cut it out.
That part, the last part of Santa's what you have to do is just leave that wedge. You have to, the first step of that is, the last step of Santa's way is to color that part up. It's just rumbly, but if you feel it, it feels rumbled. And just color it up red. It's all way when it doesn't have to be colored, then just leave it like that. So bye.
So bye. So now we've got this. We'll show you here in a minute how to do the inside. What we're going to do is drill a hole. We'll feed our blade through and we'll cut that out. Okay, but for right now we're going to cut the rest of this. You want to keep your dust blower on the blade there. Come on. And you might notice I wander from the line a little bit. That's not the end of the world, so don't let that freak you out. We're going to use that to push. So if I'm pushing something through the table saw, this is going to work like that, and then it'll go like that. Or I want to be able to hold stuff down like that with the nose of this. I thought about putting some sort of barbs or something on here, but I know I'm going to mar my work pieces. What I might do is put a screw through or something like that with a point. I still don't know yet. But we're getting there. Okay, so now we have our hole here. So what we're going to do, release our tension. Sometimes you can get by with feeding just this through, but this time we're not going to be able to get by with it. So sometimes you got to kind of feel your way around, find the blade holder, go back up to our 4.5 or 5. It's not hugely critical, and away we go. Is that how you wear those?
No!
Is that how you wear them?
No.
No. Okay, guys, when your kids are out in the shop with you, make sure you get them ear protection and eye protection, right?
Right. Too late.
Okay, so we're going to use our Bosch router with a round over bit. Tricky part is this is curved, so okay, I'm done.
Again?
Yeah. So basically what I've done is round this over. So now I got a good...
I need to go potty.
Okay, go ahead.
The glasses are inside.
Now I can get a good grip on it. Just hope this stays on there. And it looks beautiful. Okay, so my crazy finish that I use, the secret finish, it's just olive oil. That's it. So what I'm going to do, got me a little rag here, and I'll pour some on. Look at that. Work it into the wood. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to put some on a rag. So it's going to soak differently basically each time you do this. But you want to just try to get it everywhere. Man, look at that. Look at that grain. That is just beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. I had a lot of fun today. made some cool push sticks out of just scrap wood we had laying around. So hopefully these will be in my shop and hopefully in my family for a long time. These will be treasured pieces to me and my family. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. It helps us out so much, and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you.